Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you my Sephora haul. That's right babes, I went to Sephora to finally shop the sale that is going on right now. I am a Rouge member, so that means I get 20% off. And since I went in store, and I went into a store near my home that I don't usually go into because I wanted to see what they have compared to the store that I usually go into in my neighborhood, and boy was it a big difference. So I got some things that were not even on my radar but intrigued me so much that I had to try, and then there are some that I will place an order for because they didn't have it in store, and one of which just dropped today that I had on my radar, and so I want to make sure that I grab that. So I'm going to tell you all about it and share with you what I got, so keep it where you got it because it's going to be fire, baby. Brown Girl Bella. Okay, so I did a thing, and I'm so happy that I did because I really got some really cool things that some were on my radar, some were not on my radar. So I'm just going to, in no particular order, start pulling them out and share with you what I got, okay? Including this long behind the seat. That's why I'm Rouge, right? Okay, first thing I'm gonna mention is the Givenchy. Remember I told you babes that I wanted to get their new volume mascara, but I didn't want to get the full size just in case I didn't like it. So they did have both the full size and the mini, so I got the mini. It's the Le Interdit. I hope I'm not butchering that. It's a couture mascara, and it says it has 24-hour volume, XX length, and also care. So it's got a little bit of lash care in here as well. Let me share with you what the product looks like. So here's what it looks like. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to open up the product because you know that's when the clock starts. So want to make sure that it stays intact until we're ready to use it. But I will tell you that it says that it will have over 177% of volume, over 70% of length. It has a buildable result, and it is infused with care ingredients for a protected, nourished, and resistant eyelashes. Okay. I love it. And the brush is exclusive to Givenchy for lash by lash definition. Okay, so the brush is exclusive to Givenchy, it says. So, okay, I can't wait to do this on a trying new makeup. I think I'll do it next week when I get the other products, but mascara is in. Okay, I also went back and forth on this product, mainly because there were two shades that I wanted to get, and I didn't want to get them both, and I didn't know which shade to get first. So I ended up getting the second of the two shades that I wanted so much. What I'm talking about is Gucci Westman and the Westman Atelier Lip Suede Matte Lipstick. So I was going between Le Rouge and Ma Biche, and although I love saying that, Ma Biche, I ended up getting the Le Rouge. And the reason why I ended up getting Le Rouge versus Ma Biche was purely because there was only one left of this color, and there were two left of Ma Biche. So if I needed to get it while the sale is still on, I can still go and grab it because there's a couple left. but this color here is so pretty. Look at that. And it is so comfortable to wear. And because I have LFG, which is another really bright color, I thought, yeah, let me get the red orange so that I can switch off between the red orange and the pink, because those are the two colors that I really love to wear, especially during the spring and summertime. So expect to see this coming soon. Okay, now the rest of these are things that were on my radar, but didn't know that I wanted to pull the trigger on it until it was actually in the store. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Elemis Collagen Health Starter Set. Now I got this because I wanted to try the cleanser, which is the smaller of the three products. I'm going to open it up so you can see. There are the three products, and this cleansing balm, I've heard so many wonderful things about it, that it melts off all of your makeup, even tough eyelash makeup. So if you're wearing a waterproof mascara or something like that, this is supposed to really help take it off. It has a really nice fresh scent. They do have another one in rose, but I was told that that has a really strong rose scent. And so I didn't want to use that one. I wanted to use this one and try it out. So I have that. And this set came with a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Day Cream. This is a hydrating anti-wrinkle day cream. And I've never had one that is exclusively for daytime. So wanted to try this out as well. And then finally, the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad. So this is an exfoliator, and I've never tried exfoliating pads before. I've tried products that, you know, I put with a cotton round and exfoliate my face, but I never tried any actual facial pads which come with the product already in it. And it says it's skin smoothing, and it's gentle yet effective at resurfacing the skin. The skin feels smooth and looks renewed. So you smooth the pad all over the face in a circular motion. So I'm happy to try that. So again, I will let you know how it all goes, but I was very intrigued to try this by Elemis, and I heard a lot of things about them. I actually have some Elemis products that I got last year in my advent calendar, and I love those. They smell really, really great, and they work really, really well. So I have no doubt these will work as well. Then I got the Fenty Beauty We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer, and I got it in the shade 390C, which is what I use in her foundation. So I figured 390C would probably work for me. I already have concealer on, but we can try it out now and see what it looks like. We'll try a little bit. So here's the product. And again, I heard so many great things about this. Just gonna put one stripe underneath both eyes, and then just pat it in. See how it works. Okay, so I like the coverage that this is giving, even with some makeup on already. And I had some powder down, not a whole lot, just a little bit from earlier today. but I like the coverage that this is giving my under eyes, and it did brighten it up a little bit more underneath the eyes as well. I like it. Okay, so expect to see this more in a trying new makeup, but first impressions, I am loving it. Very nice. So that was the Wear Even Hydrating Long Wear Concealer, and color shade is 390C. Okay, I did not see my Sol de Janeiro cream that I wanted to try, but in looking for that, I did see this by Way, and this is the body cleanser and body cream. It says it smells like a vacay. Take a trip to the tropics with body cleanser and body cream St. Bart's. Now I tried the cream in the store. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and I was hooked. So again, they give you a nice full size of the body cleanser. This is 10 fluid ounce, so this is really nice, and the smell is just it's just heavenly. It smells fresh, it smells clean, it smells like you're rich-ish. Okay, it smells so good. And then I love that they also give you a full size of the body cream as well. Now this retailed for, I want to say this 68 or 58, 53. And then I got $10.60 off, so it came out to $42.40. That's a great buy for 2 full size of these. So this I'll be able to use all summer long. I love the smell of it. Like I said, I smelled it in the store. It's very thick. Look at the thickness there. It is so thick, and it feels amazing on the skin. I'm going to try a little bit of it on my hands. Oh yeah, oh yeah, this is heavenly. Definitely feels like a day out in the tropics for your skin, and it smells like it would work with any kind of perfume that you have as well, because it just smells fresh and clean. So I love this. So this may be my new thing. Who knows? But it's a great buy. It's regularly a value of $66, and they're charging $53 for it. And then with the $10.60 off, I paid $43. And then finally, I got a fragrance. And again, not the fragrance that I went in mind for, although I did see it. I also saw this, and I was like, well, you know what? I love the fact that they're giving you 2, and I love the price, so why not? And it is the Prada Paradox. They're giving you the Eau de Parfum in the mini size and in the travel spray. And so it looks like this. This was great. Another great buy, because you get 2 basically for the price of 1. So I loved that. So that is it. That is my haul. That's what I got thus far. 2 other things that I'm getting. Well, a couple of other things that I'm getting. So please let me go and grab my phone so I can tell you about those. Okay, so a couple of other things that I have my eye on. One is from Makeup Forever. This is the HD Skin Face Essentials. It is the Long Wear Full Face Cream Palette. They have it in 2 shades. I'm gonna get the tan to deep shades. That's palette number 2. And then the Guerlain Meteorites just hit, and those are illuminating powder pearls in the shade 04, which is amber. I think that is the deepest that they have thus far, so I think I could be able to get away with that because I do have the powder in 5 and 6, and the pearls look deep enough to go with that. So hopefully it works. So those are the 2 things that I have in my cart. I'm thinking about possibly getting the other Westman's Tillier lipstick. Not sure if I'm gonna pull the trigger on that one. But these 2 I definitely have in my basket thus far. So hopefully I will pull the trigger on that probably later on today or tomorrow, just looking to see what else they may come up with. I'm really looking for the Guerlain blushes. I was hoping that they would hit Sephora. So far they have not. But if they hit tomorrow, I will probably do that. But in any case, I do want to get these 2 because I've heard a lot of things about the Makeup Forever and the Guerlain powder pearls. And thankfully, there's a shade that is hopefully deep enough for me to try. So that is it, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until we meet again, babes, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye. Brown Girl Bella.